Question number 5, again a linear equation. See, if you are practicing SAT from a long time, you must have noticed linear equation is kind of a concept which is asked in every single possible way. So that is why I have made a complete playlist on linear equations where I explained every single output, input, whatever is that with stories so that you can relate better and you can understand better. So if you want to understand linear equations properly, you can just go back to that playlist and check it again. Okay, now let's check this question. S is equal to 40 plus 3t. The equation gives the speed s in miles per hour of the certain car t seconds after it began to accelerate. What is the speed in miles per hour of the car 5 seconds after it began to accelerate? Let's understand the meaning of acceleration first. Suppose, let's see a car is moving like this, and for the first unit, whatever the unit of the time is, its speed is, let's say, 40. Again, after that unit, speed is 40. So again, after that speed is 40, so that means car has no acceleration. That means speed is constant or speed is not changing. But if the speed changes continuously at a rate, like for the first unit is 50, 40 and then 50 and then 60. So here I will say that car is accelerated, right? So now let's just, this is the speed 40 plus 3 times t. So this t is the input time and that will affect the speed, which is the output. Okay. What is the speed in miles per hour of the car 5 seconds after it began to accelerate? So simply you have to put 5. So 40 plus 15 is equal to 55 miles per hour. Let's come to question number 6. The function f is defined by fx is equal to x square plus x plus 71. Okay. Now if I see this equation, we have to find f of 2, right? So this fx is output with this x as input, right? So in our question, this x is input and our equation is this. Now when f of 2 is to be calculated, that means we have to give input as 2. So that is 2 squared plus 2 plus 71. 2 to the 4 plus 2 6 plus 71, which is 77. So f of 2 is equal to 77. Let's come to question number 7. An event planner is planning a party. It costs event planner a one-time fee of 35 to rent the venue and $10.25 per attendee. Again, it's a question of linear equation. And if we write the linear equation, y is equal to mx plus b, then this b is the initial cost or initial value, whatever is that, when input is 0. That means you have not started anything, whatever the question is asking about. And then what are the initial charges for it? For example, in this question, when you are booking a venue for the party, you have to pay one-time fee of $35. Now this 35 is initial cost. And per attendee, the cost will increase $10.25. So let's say this. So now what are the number of attendees? It will keep on increasing and that will be the total cost. Okay. What is the greatest number of attendees possible without exceeding the budget if the event planner has a budget of $300? That means he can spend maximum 300. Yes, 300 he can do, so equal to sign, but maximum 300, so it should be less than or equal to 300, and it's 10.25a plus 35. Let's subtract 35 out of it. So it is 5, 6, 265 less than or equal to 10.25a. So dividing by 10.25 on both sides, 265 over 10.25, Now just use the calculator. So it's 25 point something, some number, right? Now persons can be right greater than or equal to this number, but persons cannot be in decimals, right? So that means 25 persons maximum is our right answer. I hope that is clear.